Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right rear gas valve in your gas cooktop, be sure to unplug the power cord and shut off the gas supply. Carefully lift off all 3 grates. Remove all 5 burner caps and the burner bases. Remove all of the control knobs. You can use string or wire to help pull them off of the valve stems. Now use a T20 Torx bit to unthread all of the screws, securing the orifice holders to the main top. With the screws unthreaded, you can lift off the top. Lift the seal off of the right rear valve stem and detach the spark switch. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the nut securing the gas supply tubing to the valve. Now use a 7mm socket or nut driver to unthread the screw to release the valve bracket from the manifold. You can now detach the old gas valve. Install the new gas valve by positioning it on the supply tubing and manifold. Align the valve bracket and secure it with the screw. Be careful not to over-tighten the screw. Thread the nut to secure the gas supply tubing to the valve. Snap on the spark switch and slide the seal over the valve stem. Realign the main top on the base so the spark electrodes protrude through the holes in the top. Confirm that the orifice holders are aligned, then thread and tighten the screws to secure the holders to the main top. Replace the control knobs by aligning them on the valve stems and pushing them into place. Align each burner base with the appropriate orifice holder so the igniter electrode protrudes through the hole in the base. Next, position the burner caps on the bases. Align the 3 burner grates on the support brackets and gently lower them. With the repair completed, turn the gas supply back on and plug the power cord back in. It's a good idea to make sure the flame height is properly adjusted after installing a new gas valve. You can do this on any of the left or right side valves by setting the burner too low. Then remove the control knob and secure the gas valve stem with a pair of pliers. Using a 3/32 flathead screwdriver, rotate the adjustment screw inside the stem clockwise to reduce the flame height, and counterclockwise to increase the height of the flame. With the flame properly adjusted, the gas cooktop should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.